guys, welcome back to Angel's Craft Tube. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some DIYs that you can do when you're bored. They only take 5 minutes. The hashtag notification squad today is... First I'm going to be showing you guys how to make galaxy rocks. You'll be needing a rock, some acrylic paint, a small rounded brush, and a sponge. You can get a rock outside of your house or you can buy it online. I recommend putting something beneath your rock so it won't get messy. The first thing that you'll need to do is cover your whole rock, both sides, with black acrylic paint. Now you will need to pick a paint color and gently sponge it on. Then, pick a lighter color of the first color and sponge it next to the darker color. You can seal off all the paint with Mod Podge.
For the second DIY,
you'll be needing a balloon, some scissors, paper, a cup, and a rubber band. The first thing that you need to do is turn your cup over and cut off the bottom side. Now you need to cut off this part of your balloon. Stretch your balloon over the bottom of your cup. Secure it with a rubber band. Now you will need to take your pieces of paper and crumble them individually. Put these little balls into your shooter. To shoot, pull on this balloon. For the third DIY, we are going to be making an aquarium in a bottle. You'll be needing a jar or a water bottle, sand, and some seashells. I'm going to use this seashell. And if you want, you can use food coloring or paint to color the water. First, we'll be needing to put sand into your jar. Put about 1/4. Now you need to put a seashell in. Pour water into almost all of the container. I changed my mind and decided to use the seashell. For the fourth DIY, you'll be needing a jar, pieces of paper, and a pen. The first thing you're going to do is write down some activity ideas on a piece of paper. Next, fold it in half. Stuff all the pieces of papers into your jar. Whenever you're bored, just take the jar out. Put your hand in and mix the papers around. Then take one out. Whatever's inside the folded paper is what you're gonna do. For example, you can go outside. The last DIY I'm gonna show you guys today is how to make a DIY paper plate Dreamcatcher. You'll be needing a paper plate, some yarn, a hole puncher, beads, and if you want, you can add some feathers. First, you'll need to cut out the inside of the rim of your plate. Next, you will need to punch holes about 1 inch apart from each other. Tie a knot using one end of a yarn into a hole. You will need about 3 to 4 strands of string each plate. Weave the yarn through about 2 to 4 holes each. On the last piece of yarn, just pull it through a hole and put a few beads on the end. If you want, you can add a feather, then tie a knot at the bottom. You can now repeat this process 3 to 4 more times. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Have a good day. Bye!